GENEXXO has acquired and branded over 10,000 single-word domains. These domains will become the ultimate foundation, branding, and protection to a unique digital ecosystem. Imagine GENEXXO, a supernova application, deploys the first domain with an expert team focused and specialized on sneakers, where content, community, and commerce naturally converge. A federated site with its own brand. Acquisition strategy, design, look, and feel, forever evolving into the future. Then imagine you create another that specializes in yoga, and another that specialized in climbing, and then you connect them through a centralized hub that enables users to flip between the various domains with one single account and shopping cart. And then imagine you keep deploying domains, expanding across the digital universe, with your own strategy and timing, without fear of being copied, because you have the ultimate foundation, branding and protection through your XX domains, and a network trademark which will authenticate each partner site. And imagine rolling out hundreds, and eventually thousands of sites across virtually every category and niche, including hobbies, health and wellness, sports, fashion, education, business, careers, travel, food, culture, and more, all linked through a personalized hub and powered by artificial intelligence.